What day is it? And in what month? This clock never seems so alive. I can't keep up, and I can't back down. I've been losing.
Okay, so my dear student, thank you and goodbye. Not goodbye, hindi. May message para sa inyo. Be good, or aloha. Take your time always, hindi ka magpabaya. Kaya mo na prioritize your needs, hindi ka mag-gusto-gusto lang.
My love is here. Don't you know my love is sweet? You should know by now. This much is true. My love is here for you.
Ka mo sa shell mo. Pag kaya mo na kung mag-nursing or mag-doctor ka na, dumdumon mo lang kami. Hari na kami rin.
Hold your breath, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. I won't live to see another day. I swear it's true, because a girl like you is impossible to find. You're impossible to find.
Formilet, thank you sa tanan, sa pagsugo ko sa imo. Hindi ko siya. Thank you sa pag-laugh mo kay Bibi. Thank you lang sa tanan.
I'd rather have bad times with you than good times with someone else. I'd rather be beside you in a storm than safe and warm by myself. I'd rather have hard times together than to have it easy apart. I'd rather have the one who holds my heart.
Steven, thank you sa pag-win everyday sa room. Thank you sa pag-attend for me sa vlog. Special na pero may vlog mo. Be yourself na. Study hard.
It's like crazy. Every chance to break. Every hour of everything. I miss you like crazy. I miss you like crazy. No matter what I say to you, it's just okay. Over you, I can see the love shining in your eyes. Love such a secret prize.
Melba, ang paghipuson mo, ang pagka-sincere mo, amo na ang magkadala sa imo sa kadalang. And just be yourself always.
When I see you smile, I can face the world. Oh, you know that I can do anything. When I see you smile, I see a ray of light. Oh, I see it shining right through the rain. When I see you smile, baby, when I see you smile.
Purundel. Ang I know nga gusto mo git nga makagraduate. Kagtani, pakita mo man, di ka lang magtagi ka, ara ka, pero daw wala na. Maluoy ka kay nanay mo, mag-sacrifice para sa inyo. Study hard. And thank you.
Right down the line, it's been you and me. Loving of you faithfully.
For Picoy, of course, palangkaalang si Gwen. ang handong mamangin na singer or music siya ko nung sa music. Ay, no nga kaya mo na, kinanglan kayanon mo gid para maging successful ka.
I miss you like crazy, even more than what you say. I miss you like crazy, every minute of every day. Girl, I'm so down when your love's not around. I miss you, miss you, miss you. I miss you like crazy.
For Jerome, ako nag-eskwela ka lang permi, hindi ka nasagad computer, and take your time sa pagtuon, and study hard. Take your time, study hard.
Mga tambay lang kami, sawa sa babae. May mga babaeng manluloko, piniperahan lang kami. Kaya ngayon, bakilala lang ang aming iibigin. Masarap magmahal ang bakla, okay sarap. Sinasampul ang puso ko ay lagi nagsugatan. Siniseryoso ko bakit ako.
Hi Gwen, thank you sa pagpakadlaw, sa mga kaetsusan mo sa room, make the room alive, and kicking kung ara ikaw.
These are things that I promise, my promise to you. For all of the life, you are the one. I will love you faithfully forever. All of my life, you are the one. I'll give to you my greatest love.
Erika, hindi ka na magpasaway. May permi ka lang pasaway. Hindi ka nasagad inom, kalsagad, panigarilyo kay makapad, ina sa health mo. Atihon mo si nanay kasi tatay mo sa gina-advise nila sa imo.
I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time. I'ma tell you one time. When I met you, my heart went knock, knock, knock. Now them butterflies in my stomach won't stop, stop, stop. Even though it's a struggle, love is all we got. So we gon' keep climbing to the mountaintop. Your world is my world, and my fight is your fight. My breath.
For Maricon, thank you sa pag-ano mo sa physics and kaya mo na biskan basic knowledge lang atun mo. I know nga kaya anon mo na kung diin ka dalon sa imo nga nga destiny.
I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good, good night. Tonight, tonight, let's live it up.
For Kenneth, Ken, sorry sa mga akig ko sa imo, pero balaan, sani, ma-realize mo nga ang pag-akig ko sa imo para na sa imo. Nasagad pinunto, pang babae. Pang babae kasi nagpanigarilyo. Patihon mo man si nanay mo, maluoy ka kay nanay mo, kay tatay mo, nga nag-aubra para sa inyo. Hindi mo na pag-usikan ang ilang mga sacrifices. Mo palangga ka na nila.
I'm jumping up and down, she's the only one around, and she means every little thing to me. I've got your picture in my wallet, and your phone number to call it. and I miss you more whenever I think about you. I've got your mixtape in my Walkman. Been so long since we've been talking, and in a few more days we'll both hook up forever and ever.
Ay, tayo ma. Thank you, man. Ay, ever supportive ka gid sa kunan ng mga plans natin sa room. And thank you for everything. Sa pag-operate, sa pag-budig sa mga classmates mo.
Empty was crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it. We're heart to heart. And we can build this thing together. Standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
For Michael, Mike, study hard, dugay-dugay basit matapay ka na. Ano na, be responsible na kay may kaedad ka na kay mga kinanglan at rahontan ni intindihan mo na na.
Did we almost have it all? When love was all we had worth giving. The ride with you was worth the fall, my friend. Loving you makes life worth living. Did we almost have it all?
Akilin, hindi ka na pagtermin mag-late. Kay kung late ka, wala ka din sang maabstan. Ano nga ang pagsulat mo inaamoy na ang one way man ay ma-develop ang personality mo.
This is real, this is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on me. Now I am down who I am. There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me. Do you know what it's like to feel so in the dark? To dream about a life where you're the
And panumdumon nyo man, tanan na kamo, nga ang mga akig, yung mga laygay namon sa inyo, parang hindi na sa inyo. Kay kung di ka mo pag-akigan, hindi ka mo matuto. Kag hanglan man, nga laygayan ka mo, para maintindihan mo ang kapo hindi lang dugsing-dugsing or hiya-hiya. Hinahanglan ang mga responsibility nyo man, pinag-grow ka mo mature. Kag ang mga responsibility mo hinahanglan, maupalanin din. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, my dear fourth year, if there is one message your ACDA family would like to leave you with, this would be it. Keep moving forward. Keep
Moving.
forward.
Keep.
Moving forward.
Keep.
Keep moving. Keep forward.
Keep.
Moving forward. Keep
Moving.
forward.
Keep.
Moving
Forward.
Keep moving forward. Moving forward. Keep moving forward.
Moving. Forward. Moving.
Forward. Keep moving forward.
Worrying about a thing that didn't.
Something in your eyes makes me wanna lose myself. Makes me wanna lose myself in your arms. feels like home to me. Feels like I'm all the way back where I belong. Window breaks down a long dark street, and a siren wails in the night. But I'm alright, 'cause I have you here with me, and I can almost see through the dark there is light. If you knew how much this moment means to me, and how long I've waited for your touch. If you knew how happy you are making me, I never thought that I'd love anyone so much. It feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm all the way back where I come from. It feels like home to me. Feels like home to me. Feels like I'm all the way back where I belong. Feels like I'm all the way back where I belong. I always needed time on my own. I never thought I'd need you there when I cry, and the days feel like years when